Yeah, yeah!
Yeah, yeah! Guys, welcome back to Not So Scary Mary TV. This is a video for Benny, to surprise Benny. Remember, I'm on a solo trip here, videotaping for all of you and having a great time with my friends. And I'm so excited, but I wanted to surprise him. Since we love those little garbage cans. If you see our other video, it's amazing. We got all 8 of them. Today, Don and I are gonna buy 4 because they only allow you 4, 2 per person. And then when Benny gets here, we're gonna get 4. I'm gonna save them until he gets here Friday to pick me up, but then we're gonna open the boxes.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Look at them right here, you guys. There's a mystery one. I'm a little upset they don't have Goofy. They got R2-D2. They got Beauty and the Beast, Donald, Mickey, and Minnie. And I think they have a surprise one, but we don't know which one the surprise one is. They do cost $14.99 each, and you just buy them until you get the whole collection. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Look at this one. This can get very addicting and dangerous for the pocketbook, just saying.
Expensive.
Expensive is right. 2 per person.
Yeah. So go ahead.
Here we
come
go.
out.
So here I am picking 2, and then now Don picks 2 boxes, and I save them. I have to save them for like 5 days until Benny gets there, but you guys are gonna see it right away. Don and I wanted to open those boxes, but I couldn't. 4 or 5. 5 days later. Guys, Benny's here. Yeah! I surprised him with these Bayback surprise. Yeah! That was good. You do it again? That was good. I've waited a couple of days. Don wanted to open them, but I said nope.
I wanted to open.
We gotta wait, and now
Thanks
we're gonna
for
get.
waiting.
Of course, it was a surprise.
So there's 6 of them.
Right now we have 4, and then we're gonna get.
Okay.
We're probably gonna get 6 more. It's only 2 per person. So Don will get 2, Benny will get 2, I'll get 2, and we're gonna open them here on video because we want to collect these. But he didn't know I had gotten them. Were you happy?
But, yes. But there's only 6 of them though.
Right, but we're gonna get. Yes.
What are the chances that we buy 6 and we get all 6?
Okay, you want to open these first? Then we'll go
Yes.
Let's do this first. Okay, guys, come on, follow us. We got our caffeine on our tea. We got tea because it's not warm. The weather's so nice, but we got our tea. It's beautiful. And we're gonna open the boxes to you, to me. Yeah. Come on, hurry.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you do the first honors. Now we're collecting 6 of them.
I'm like, I don't.
Drum roll. Mickey, he got his Mickey. Oh my God.
Your turn, Neri.
Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Minnie!
Oh, Minnie.
What are the odds?
We're good, yes.
Mickey and Minnie. Look, you guys. We only have 4 to 6.
Right, but if we got 4 different ones, we did it last time with the other ones.
Oh my God. No,
Series
no,
1.
no. If you guys didn't see the other video,
Well, I have the first series.
we got them all on the first time we bought, so now we're trying it.
We're trying to see if
getting an audience.
we can do it twice. And so far it looks like no.
That's a good one to repeat. Okay.
Yeah, so
Ready?
Excellent.
Oh.
Oh.
Is this a figment one?
That's
It's a
the bonus one.
Look at the little doors. Look at the little doors.
Cute.
that's the
Okay, we got Mickey and Minnie together. I think that's adorable. And then Figment that we both love, right? It's not cute?
That's awesome.
Okay,
Yeah, Figment was a bonus to the mystery box.
we got a mystery one. Okay, now we're gonna go get. We're gonna leave you guarding our teas here so
Okay.
nobody spits in our tea,
Okay.
and then
Hate it when that happens.
we'll be back. I love this mystery thing. What a man! This is a little bit of a trap. I'll tell you, financial trap, but it's so fun.
A little bit.
So fun.
Don,
Yay!
Got the goods.
you want to try to open one?
Maybe I'll try one.
All right. Hey.
Trying to see which one it is.
Oh.
It smells like space.
We got it. R2D2. Oh my gosh, we've got 4 out of the 6. Let's see what you got.
What's it smell like? You didn't smell it.
Is it a repeat? Yeah, Mickey. Okay, here we go. Okay, babe. Ready? Let's open up together.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes. No.
Yeah, you guys both close your eyes.
Close your eyes, babe. Feel your way up. Okay, feel. Ready? Rip it open. You got it? Let the viewers see it first. You got it?
Don't
open your eyes, babe.
Don't open your eyes.
You got it? Ready?
Ready?
Ready. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. We are missing.
We're buying a lot of these.
We're missing. We're missing Belle and Donald. Beauty and the Beast and Donald.
So what are you gonna do?
We're gonna buy 2 more. You're gonna go because they allowed 2 per person.
Okay.
And you haven't bought any. Okay, so
good.
we're missing Belle and Donald. What are the odds?
I don't know.
Okay,
we
open
got
them
real
up.
lucky last time. Let's see. Same
Close
time.
your eyes.
Keep your eyes closed, babe. Tell me when.
I'm ready. Are you?
1, 2, 3.
Donald.
We got the Donald.
So we're missing Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah. We got a lot of Mickeys.
I love
Maybe
the
somebody
Mickeys,
will
though.
trade with you.
I don't know if
don't
anybody
see
else is
anybody buying.
opening. I don't see anybody else opening garbage cans. Get into this.
Nice work, pal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna stay on this quest.
Okay. Okay, well, guys, if anybody has Belle,
need Belle.
come find us at the parks. We have like 5 Mickey garbage cans.
Yeah.
They got all of them but Belle.
Including the surprise one.
Yeah. And 4 Mickey.
Well, if you've been watching the video up to now, yes, it was a disappointment. We were sad. We had boxes and bags and trash, and we were missing the Beauty and the Beast garbage can. But wait, where are we? At Disney? Stay tuned. I'm not gonna spoil the ending, but pixie dust can be around the corner. Yeah, yeah! Alright guys, thanks for watching our video. We'll keep you posted when we get Belle. We'll make a short.
We're gonna get it something
Oh, we're gonna get Belle.
eventually.
One way or another, we're gonna find her. And then these 2 angels came to open boxes with us. Bought 2, and we're gonna see what they get.
I got the Belle one.
Oh my god! 2 Mickeys for the Belle.
I'll trade. She got it too. I have Belle too.
Oh my god. She's a hobo.
Mickey and Minnie for a Belle. Do you like it?
Okay. We'll do
Or
that.
we have Donald. What do you like better? And we have an R2D2. So you can get 2 for 1.
Mickey and Minnie. Mickey
I'll
and
get
Minnie.
Oh,
Thank you.
that's so nice. Nice work, pal.
Yeah. And here is our collection. The first row was the first edition that, if you see the video, you'll see we got them all. And then now the second row, look! We got them all and had the best time. And we left, as you can see, with a smile on our faces. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Friends of the Channel. And hey, if you're not a member of Not So Scary Married TV, please do so. We're getting a lot of member-only perks coming up. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Yeah, yeah.